Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Lithuania, so we will be going through some country-specific key information to help you out. In order to complete the onboarding process in Lithuania, it is necessary that we have some essential information and documentation. As the first step of your onboarding, please fill in your details on the platform. Once you provide your details, we will be able to prepare your employment agreement. You should also upload the required compliance documents to the platform. In order to finalize your onboarding, we need to review and accept them. The obligatory compliance documents are a medical certificate and your passport or ID. You need to provide a medical certificate before your onboarding is finalized. To receive that certificate, you should register to the appointment for a medical check for work. Usually, the doctor will ask you for the job description, which identifies the risk factors. You should inform the doctor that you have a sitting job working with the computer. In case you need a medical referral, feel free to reach out to us and we'll provide one. Once you receive the medical certificate, please upload it to the Deel platform. If you have a valid certificate from your previous employer, you can also submit it. If the certificate isn't older than 2 years, then it means that it's valid. In Lithuania, you are entitled to 20 days off annually. Kindly note that your time of eligibility will be prorated based on when you start working at Deel. You will be accruing additional days off on a monthly basis. Moreover, employees are entitled to additional days off if they have a child. In Lithuania, this is called a Mother's Day or Father's Day. For employees that are raising one child under the age of 12, they are entitled to additional 1 day off every 3 months. For parents raising 2 children, there's an additional 1 day per month. Finally, 2 additional days per month are granted to employee parents that are raising 3 children. The employees can request this on the platform as other leave and specify what this is for, as well as include the childbirth certificate and application for the leave. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.